but it's not FS American Farming this time. It's Farming USA 2, and I'm baling right now. But how did you like my intro? Tell me in the comments. Rate it out of 10 if you want. But yeah, I'm here with Boss Hog. He's running the combine, and I'm baling. And I also have to run the gravity wagons, as you'll see here in a second. See what I said? We're already running gravity wagons. We're trying to unload on the go. And also, this thing is messed up. For him, it would say 75% full on the first gravity wagon, but for me it says 100%. When I hop out of the vehicle, it'll fix it. If I get out of the vehicle and get back in, it'll be correct for me then. We're trying to get the wheat in before it rains. But I don't know if that's going to happen because it rains at 12 o'clock and it's 5:53 in the morning. The magical voice is back, and I have to unload the combine again. We have a little spot down in the bottom yet to cut after we finish this top part. But as you can see, it's not completely full anymore. It corrected itself after I got out of the vehicle and got back in. And I think it actually is full. He's saying it's full, so yeah. We don't use the chat because, don't really need to. But yeah, since he's empty, I don't know where I'm gonna park these. Yeah, I'm just gonna go bail now. What was that? What did I hit? Okay, we finished up cutting wheat, and he told me that he got the tractor stuck. So now I have to tow him out. I don't know how he did this. Apparently he's going down the hill too fast, and yeah. That gravity wagon hardly has anything in it. Might be 50% at most. Gotta get a run up. Yeah, Boss Hog's in the tractor trying to get it to move. And by the way, I'm not calling him Boss Hog because I'm being mean. That's his username. So. Yes, we finally got him. You know, that yes had no, whatchamacallit. I don't know what it's called when you act surprised, but it didn't have any of that stuff.